Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. First, I'd like to wish everyone a happy 2023. I hope that you had wonderful holidays. I did. I was very busy, and that's why it's been a little bit since I've been able to post a video. But I have been making things in the meantime, and I have so much to share with you, so I'm super excited about 2023. Now, as wonderful as the promise of a new year is, it can also bring with it cold and flu season. And so what I've created are these adorable little TNs, I'm calling them. Now, I saw this idea a while back on the Gift Divas channel. Hi, Lynn. And she had linked the video tutorial that she followed to create hers. So this is my take on it, and I'll link that tutorial in the description box below. And if you haven't already subscribed to Lynn's channel, The Gift Diva, I'll link her channel below as well, and I invite you to do so. She has wonderful content to share. So what these are traveler's style notebook tea books. So they are secured with an elastic band, just like a traveler style notebook. The measurements on them are, if I can get my ruler the right way, these are about 3 inches by 4 inches. The covers are laminated, and on the side, I put this cute little teacup charm on this one. I made this one in a masculine theme because, you know, guys get sick too. Cute little clock charm. Then on the side, I got these spoons, and I thought that that was a really super fun touch. I left it in the packaging just, you know, for hygienic reasons. And as you open it up, it's got all these little booklets inside, just like you would have in a normal traveler's notebook, but they are filled with tea. And these are all different yogi teas for, you know, the cold and flu season. So you've got, this book holds 6 different tea packets. And I just thought it was an adorable idea, and I had so much fun making them, and I plan on making them for pretty much every season because, you know, tea isn't just for when you're sick. So there's that one. This one is very similar on the inside, just a little bit different on the outside. And these are more of a feminine take. Did some gold cording on these. Beautiful cameo pendant. And on these, they have a little teacup or a little teapot charm that says tea time on it. Used a gold spoon on this one. And I'll show you the inside. I think these papers are just beautiful, and I'll go over the supplies that I used in just a moment. Here's this one, much the same, just a different color pendant. And this is the same as this one. Aren't they so adorable? I just love them. I think that these would be a fantastic gift for a coworker or a neighbor, a friend, a spouse, anybody who's feeling a little bit under the weather, or just to give to them now so that when they are feeling poorly, they've got this nice little resource to turn to. So now let me show you what I used to make them. The paper collection that I used is from DCWV, and it's called Preserved Paper. And the great thing about these is you can make 3 covers out of 1 sheet of paper. These are the two elastic cordings that I use. This one is gold and this one is just a brown. And I will link those in the description box below. I purchased them on Amazon. These sweet little teacup charms are also an Amazon purchase, and I just think they're adorable. I love the detailing on them, and they're the perfect size for this project. I think these little teapots are so feminine and pretty, and I love that they say tea time on one side of them. I purchased these adorable food-safe spoons on Amazon as well, and I got them in 3 different finishes to coordinate with whatever paper that I choose to use, and I think that they're just the perfect finishing touch to these sweet little tea books. The teas themselves I got from Yogi, and these are Cold Season, Bedtime, Immune Support, Throat Comfort, Breathe Deep, and Turmeric Vitality. I will be listing these in my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing one. I think that they are just adorable and a very sweet, thoughtful, and useful gift. I'll be sure to link any products that I used in the description box below if I can find them, including the laminate that I used and my laminator. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!